Hello viewer, are you facing Instagram chat not opening or Instagram DM not working? Let's see how to solve this problem. Open your Instagram app. Go to your Instagram profile from the lower right corner. Now tap on three line from the top right corner. Scroll down and find out help. Tap on help. Now click on report a problem. Tap on report problem. Now include and continue. Now in this box, briefly explain what happened or what's not working for you. In this box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram chat not opening or my Instagram DM not working. Please solve this issue." Then send your report to the Instagram support team. After sending your report, please wait few minutes for fixing your Instagram chat not opening issue.